Charlie Bird. We are going to do Chewbacca today. Yay! We got brown already. We need brown. And we need kindy orange. Okay, first we need to make a circle, hairy. I know. And it's not hairy on the bottom. He's on the hill. Kind of hairy. And a little bit goes out. And then we could do his belt. I know Chewbacca has a belt. Because I guess I know why. Because he got spotted, maybe. Pardon me. I was drinking lemonade. We are going to do his eyes. He's looking down there. See if he can get some fish. And he's real angry. He's not going to get some fish. Now we get to colour him in. Yay. You need brown for his belt. Or we need grey. Now we need this brown. Of course it's light. This is light brown. They look lighter here. Now it can change into dark brown. It's going to be a long video because it's a long time to draw. I've done lots of videos. I like doing videos because it's on YouTube with my best buddy, Evan. He's my best buddy, Evan is. And how to draw. He's my best buddy. And he's a good drawer. Sorry. Now we need... there. Let's write Chewbacca's name now. I know, we have to do this lots of times. Check.